Hey Colorado, my name is Katie McKenna and I'm starting a new 10-week, 40-hour workshops at Denver Design Incubator on October 14th. This is an intense training. You will be given homework assignments, so make sure you have time in between of classes. You must know basic sewing. I will teach you how to drape basic sloper, just like this, for female. Then I'll teach you how to change this basic sloper into your size or your model's size. We'll do lots of fitting. Fitting is when we try something on the person, make it work for their body type and size, and then adjust the flat pattern accordingly. I will teach you how to make a sleeve. We'll learn how to make a skirt, shift dress. If we have time, we'll make a t-shirt. In the end, we are going to dedicate how to make a perfect basic pant sloper. This class is not for everyone. Pattern making is complicated science. In this 10-week program, we are going to cover all the basics. If you want to pursue this career and learn more, we can offer advanced classes, or you can go to college to learn more. Or if you want to be a designer, that's also great opportunity for you to understand how clothing are made and have a basic pattern making skills. After these classes, you will not be able to look at the clothing with the same eyes again. Trust me.